Welcome to my Orientation to Education Assessment to Electronic Resource Kit. I chose a mind map as a thinking tool because I believe it addresses various aspects of human learning and development. It also caters to the diverse needs of students and can help those who like to draw and learn visually or those who like to write and be creative. It can be drawn in any form that helps students learn. This thinking tool relates to Piaget's cognitive constructivism, where students have the ability to assimilate new information and expand from the existing knowledge. This image is an intellectual growth image. This is a great way to adopt and support students in the classroom. As a teacher, you can support your students through scaffolding. Students have diverse thought processes as well as having a growth or fixed mindset. Applying a growth mindset towards students will encourage them to get out of their comfort zone and explore new challenges. A growth mindset can be applicable for any students. Also, emphasizing the word yet is said that every classroom should use the term yet. So, as opposed to any students that say they can't do something or are not good at something or they say they don't like a certain subject, the teacher should say yet. This idea gives the ability and motivation to students. This is my own concept map. A concept map is a type of graphic organizer used to help students organize and represent knowledge of a subject. Concept maps begin with a main idea and then branch out to show how that main idea can be broken down into specific topics. This caters to a diverse range of students because every student learns differently. It engages different types of students in order for them to be able to play around and design their own concept maps. Relating to Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, students are able to explore the spatial and linguistic intelligence by using language and visual aid to present their learning. Edmodo is an educational website that takes the ideas of a social network and refines them and makes it appropriate for a classroom. Using Edmodo, students and teachers can reach out to one another and connect by sharing ideas, problems, and helpful tips. It can be very helpful towards the older high school students where they may not be attending class and need the teacher's help. This website fulfills the needs of every student as it is a blended learning classroom and each student has the ability to work on their own pace. Having a mixture of ICT resources within learning can really engage students. A video online really helps students participate and interact more, which gradually enriches their knowledge. Relating to Gardner's multiple intelligence, students' spatial intelligence are being increased by visual media. They are able to shape mental representations after watching the videos. This type of learning caters to every student, which will help them make more understanding on what they are visually seeing, and then they can apply it to their knowledge. Using the jigsaw approach is a very effective way of learning. Jigsaw is a cooperative learning strategy that enables each student of a home group to specialize in one aspect of a learning unit. Students meet with members of other groups who are assigned the same aspect, and after mastering the material, return to the home group and teach the material to their group members. This caters to the diverse needs of students because those students who find it difficult to comprehend alone by reading are able to discuss and learn more of other students, which enables them to make understanding of what is being taught. This relates to Vygotsky's social constructivist theory. Play is exceptionally beneficial in many areas of the social, emotional, physical, and intellectual growth of children. The process of playing embodies progress while children are using the means of symbolic representations, imitations, as well as verbal and nonverbal communication. When children engage in play, they are imitating and constructing understanding of what is happening around them, and they reenact what is around them, which relates to Vygotsky's cognitive theory, where children construct an understanding of the world around them and then experience discrepancies around between what they already know and what they discover in their environment.